Hello everyone, this is Ayush Jaswal and I am making an explanation video of question 18 of our data science question paper of internal 1 where the where we will see this where we have to do attribute selection techniques in feedback analysis. So we will see why attribute selection matters. Because feedback often have 50 to 500 attributes, words, sentiments, topics, too many overfitting, slow models, noisy insights. So the goal is to select related attributes for better predictions. There three key methods are forward selection, backward elimination, and hybrid. This is also mentioned in the question. Also, you can see this there. You This is the question. Use a flowchart to summarize attribute selection techniques for feedback analysis. Forward selection, backward elimination, hybrid method. So we will discuss all three methods. Now we will see the flowchart of our overview for this selection. First we start the analysis, then we see if we need to select the attributes. If yes, then we check which strategy to be applied: forward selection, backward selection, or hybrid method. Now we what is this, how correct and error free the data is, explain examples in feedback. That's why we use this methods. For example, student accidentally selects 1 instead of 5, teacher name wrongly mapped, rating 150 out of 100, that means out of range ratings. So for when we apply method 1, that means forward selection, when start with an empty set, we add best single attribute that is highest correlation, and then add best that improves the model most, and repeat until no gain. And this method repeats until if we find some uh, meaningful insights from that data. Its advantages are it is fast and for high dim data, and its disadvantages is that it misses early interaction, like it is in delivery speed quality. Now method 2 is backward elimination. It methods goes like start with all attributes, then we see remove least important attributes, then we re-evaluate it, then repeat until performance hurts, means it gives something important. Now method 3 is hybrid method, where we start from an empty and then we go to add best attribute, then backward check removes redundants after each add. This process repeats until we get an optimal model selection. Now this is a summary of this flowcharts, where we start. If we need an attribute, we go to initial strategy, forward selection, hybrid selection, then we select attributes and the process ends. This is in comparison between this criteria, like where it is speed, where there is speed, we use forward selection as empty and backwards elimination as full set, and hybrid method as full or empty set, because hybrid can be of both types. And when interaction handling is there, we select forward selection starting as medium, backward as best, and hybrid method as best. And when we go for typical use, we use forward selection for many attributes and backward elimination for few attributes, and hybrid method for most cases. Now the main things is this: for forward selection can have thousands of text attribute. Hybrid can is used for best speed accuracy, and backward can be give back performance in low dims only. And the result is that actionable feedback insight is found from these all three methods. Thank you everyone, but I need to say this: smart selection, clear custom insights, means if we select the method carefully, then we get perfect answers from that model. Thank you.